Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will be showing you how to create these palm trees that make great decorations for Ramadan or Eid, and they also require very few materials. So if you are interested, just keep watching. So the materials you'll need are some light brown streamers and some lime green pool noodles and also a hot glue gun. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by adding a dab of hot glue and then using the streamers to wrap around the pool noodle. So here you can see that I'm just going ahead and wrapping my streamers around my pool noodle, but the technique that I'm using is I'm kind of folding the tip of my streamers, and then I'm also dabbing a bit of glue as I go along, just to make sure that it's all secure and not falling apart. Once I've neared the end of my pool noodle, I'm just going to add a dab of hot glue and then just tear off the last bit of streamer. Once you're done, hopefully you would be able to see the different layers and the muted green coming through. So moving on to the next portion of the palm tree, which are the leaves, you're going to need about 5 to 7 pieces of green cardstock, and you're just going to fold each one individually, and then grabbing a pair of scissors, you're just going to cut a rough outline of your leaves. Here I'm going back in just to get a better shape of a palm tree leaf. Once I'm happy with my leaves, I'm going to go in with my pair of scissors and just cut lines all the way around each individual leaf. Here I'm just opening up my leaf, and this is what it should look like. Next, taking my pair of scissors again, I'm just using them as a tool to kind of curve my leaf just to give them a bit of texture. Once you're happy with all of your leaves, you're just going to go ahead and glue them all to your tree stump. So I'm just adding a dab of glue and then gluing each leaf on individually. And once you're done gluing on all of your leaves, this is what your palm tree should look like. Super simple, super fun to do. We used these palm trees last Ramadan to put up against some Jerusalem backdrops, so I really recommend getting creative with it. You can add different styles of leaves, you can add dates, you can cut up the pool noodles to different heights. But yeah, that is the end of this video. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram to see the latest projects that I'm working on. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.